Living and non-living things. The earth in which we live is made up of several things, from mountains to oceans, and from plants to animals. These things can be categorized into living and non-living things. Things that have life are called living things, while things that do not have life are called non-living things. Living things can move, can breathe, they can grow, can reproduce, and they need food and water. While non-living things cannot move, cannot breathe, can't grow, they cannot reproduce, and they do not need food and water. Living things. Human beings, animals, and plants are living things. Human beings can move from one place to another through their legs. Human beings can grow. There are several stages human moves through during his or her lifespan. A baby grows into a child, which then grows into a man. Human beings can breathe in fresh air using their lungs. Human beings need food and water for their survival. Human beings can reproduce. A woman gives birth to a baby. Just like human beings, animals also move from one place to another using their legs. Animals can grow. A small puppy grows into a dog. After hatching, young ones come out of the eggs and slowly grow into adults. Animals breathe in fresh air using their lungs. Animals need food and water. Different animals eat different kinds of foods and are dependent on plants or other animals. Animals can reproduce. All the animals give birth to young ones while the birds lay eggs. There are movements shown by plants when the plant is touched. The common example is the touch-me-not plant, which closes its leaflet as a response to touch. Plants can grow. A small seed grows into a plant, which then grows into a huge tree. Plants also breathe in carbon dioxide, which they get from the human beings, and release oxygen. Plants need food and water. Plants need water to grow, and they make their own food using water, air, and sunlight. Plants can reproduce. Most plants grow from seeds, but some plants create new seeds by the process of pollination. Non-living things. Things like cap, bag, van, building, basket, pen, bat, and ball are non-living things. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.